Hi guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the build and decorate your dollhouse. It is none other than the number 48, guys. But well, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And guys, of course, if you like this collection, make sure to leave a like down below. And of course, guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Bartunier. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. And well, guys, let's go ahead. Let's get into this. Alright guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic, and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse, of course in the Victorian style, and down below it says enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. And guys, this is the number 48. If you would like to see the previous 47, all you have to do is check out the playlist located in the end cards in the end of the video. And we have the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. It looks really cool. I can't wait to complete it. And guys, as you know, this collection is from editorial Salvat, which is the same company that makes the Marvel figures which I unbox. If you're interested in seeing that, all you have to do is check out the playlist in my channel, and well, let's open this up. A Victorian store. And then it talks about the stores from this era. And wow, look at all the things it has in it. It has a store clerk, and then it has our cashier, and then it has a couple buying supplies, buying snacks. That's cool. And then here on the side it details all of the things in this shop. Let's continue on. And here it walks you through how to use that big wooden piece that we got, which I'll show you in just a minute. And it walks you through all of the steps of how to attach it to the house. And guys, as I always say with this collection, I will walk you through how to do each one of these steps once we have the entire collection unboxed. So guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button, and guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post anything new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this collection, if you like the dollhouse and you can't wait to have it completed, make sure to leave a like down below. And here it talks about the Hanover house. And well guys, that's the end of that. There we have the front of the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. And of course guys, this collection is from Salvat, as I said before. And well, let's flip back to the front. And well guys, now it's time to check out the new additions to our dollhouse. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. And well guys, now it's time to check out this new wooden piece that we got. It has like this little indent there that you can see. And let me see if I can show you how big it is. It's like the length of the table almost. That's the end. And then the other end. This time it only came with one. But now I'm going to show you the toys that it came with for the child's room. Alright, let's unbox this first. It has like a staple, so we have to get it out. There. Got the staple out. And it comes with 3 little Ziplocs with 3 toys. Here you can see a little train. It's really cool. I like the colors, and it seems that maybe we'll have other things to attach here. That would be kind of cool. A little mini train, that would be neat. And well, moving on to the next. We have this little soldier, wooden soldier. He looks really cool. Oops. It doesn't seem he wants to stand up. Hey, success! Now it's time to unbox, or unbag I should say, this one. We have another soldier, but this time holding, I'm really not sure what this is supposed to be. Maybe like a drum? He's cute, just like the other one. I'm just not sure what he's supposed to be holding. I think it's a drum, but I'm not sure. And well guys, you tell me, which one do you like the most? The cute little train, the soldier with a stick, or the soldier that I think has a drum? Tell me down in the comments below. I look forward to seeing what you guys think. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas for Engineer. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, guys, I will see you later. Have a great day. Bye-bye.